Now moving on to the next question. Consider the following pairs of government schemes and their objectives. Startup India Seed Fund Scheme. So you just expand the word itself. Like for example, it says Startup India Seed Fund. What is the purpose of a seed fund? What is the purpose of a seed fund? Seed fund effectively is a fund to allow that particular startup to begin its operation, right? It provides funds for proof of concept. What is proof of concept? Proof of concept refers to a small experiment that shows the viability of a certain idea, right? The market angle of a particular idea, whether an idea can be commercialized. Okay, a small experiment. So to do that experiment, they need fund. That fund, seed funds are usually, allotted for those kind of ideas, right? So Startup India Seed Fund Scheme, financial assistance for proof of concept and prototype development. Correct. Credit Guarantee Scheme, credit guarantee up to 20 crore for loans to Department for Promotion of Industry and Internal Trade recognized startups. This is actually correct, right? This is actually correct. Atal Innovation Mission, ecosystem of innovation and entrepreneurship at schools, university, MSMEs and industries. Also correct. Right. So learn to read a particular statement to understand that, okay, with your knowledge, work with your existing knowledge, because no person can actually learn everything. So work with your existing knowledge and then tries to solve the question with the information that you have. So Atal Innovation Mission, ecosystem of innovation, entrepreneurship for school, universities, MSMEs. So don't get too focused. Okay, schools. Don't overthink it. Okay, schools, would they be inside that policy? Would they be supported by that mission? So don't go like that. Okay, read the overall context. Okay, certain questions you need to read like that, certain questions you don't need to read like that. So continuously solving the questions help you to get that idea. Okay, so all of these are actually correct. So you will get D as the answer.